Hello students, in the last video we discussed about the close packing in the crystal lattice in one dimension as well as the two dimensions. Today we are going to start with the close packing in three dimensions. So three dimensional structures are obtained by two ways, that is the two dimensional AAA type and two dimensional ABAB type. The two-dimensional AA type is also called square close pack crystalline structure, while two-dimensional ABAB type is also called hexagonal close pack structure. Let us start the first, the three-dimensional close packing in two-dimensional AA type, or we can say square close packing structure. In this arrangement, layers of spheres are placed one above the other in such a way that the crest of all spheres are in contact with successive layers in all directions and form primitive or simple cubic structure, also called SCC. Simple cubic structure is formed when the crest of all the, we can say that the spheres in contact with the successive layers. Since all the layers are identical, so it is called AAA type. Each sphere is in contact with the six surrounding sphere, so the coordination number of the each sphere is 6. You can see the diagram. In the diagram, it is mentioned about the coordination number. So in the diagram, you can see that all the layers are equal, so it is AA type. Here we can say the cubic structure, so it is called as the square cubic close packing structure 1. And in the second figure we can see each sphere is in contact with the six other spheres, one above, one below, one we can say on the plane one, the uh, so 4 are being in the plane, and we can say one above and one below, total 6 we can say spheres are there. So coordination number of the each sphere in the square close packing is, we can say, 6. Let us start the second. We can say that the three-dimensional close packing obtained by two-dimensional ABAB type hexagonal close packing layers. In ABAB type two-dimensional structure, consecutive layers are different. Since the crest of one linear layer are in depression of the other linear layer and forms hexagonal close packing structure with minimum empty space. To obtain three-dimensional crystalline structure, more layers are to be built on first layer. In the first, there are two types of voids, there are two types of depressions are there. In order to maintain hexagonal close packing arrangement in the first layer, the crest of the spheres of second layer are placed in the depression of the other layers. So the depression of the first layer, only half of the voids of the first layer are occupied. The new voids created in the second layer are triangular and tetrahedral. So here the new voids are created in the second layer, and these voids are, we can say, either some are triangular or some are tetrahedral. The third layer above second layer can be built in two ways. The first is hexagonal close packing, that is HCP. So here we can say when the two-dimensional close packing from three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional ABAB type, there are, we can say that two ways are there to build the third layer above the second layer. The first is called hexagonal close packing. See, in this there are the number of layers are there. So when this number of layers are, we can say that the equal, or when the layers are different one, then we can say here there may be ABAB type or maybe ABC type. So the first is there, that is a hexagonal close packing HCP, that is ABAB type of the close packing. In the first If the first and third layers are identical, second and fourth layers are identical, then arrangement will be ABAB type. You can just see the diagram. In that diagram it is shown this ABAB type where the packing efficiency is 74% and the coordination number is 12. You can see here in the diagram the first and third layer is same identical one, second and fourth layer will be identical, and so on. Such a type of the structures are there. That is the we can say the HCP, hexagonal close packing structure one. Now let us start the second, that is the cubic close packing CCP. In CCP, when first and fourth, second and fifth, third and sixth, these layers are identical, then it is called ABC type. It is also called the cubic close packing structure. In this arrangement, the packing efficiency is 74% and the coordination number of each sphere is 12. So you can see the diagram to get more clear idea about this. We can say ABC type. Here you can see that the first and fourth layer will be same, then A is same again, second and we can say fifth layer will be same, then third and sixth layer will be same, and so on. So when they are identical like this, so it is called ABC type, also called as a cubic close packing structure. So dear students, go through the video again, find out the we can say the CCP type and HCP type structures one, discuss about the we can say that this third layer, how many layers are there that you see, different layers are there, how they are arranged, what is the words that you find out. Go through video and write note on this topic. Okay, thank you.